SAP Certified Associate C_STC_2405 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. Which functionalities does the Test Execution Analysis app provide? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Requirement traceability via test execution analysis. B. Burn up of executed test actions and burn down of remaining test actions. C. Display of the progress of all test runs in a project. D. Visibility on the remaining number of test actions. E. Display of defects by scope, workstream, and priority. The answer is B, C, D. The Test Execution Analysis app in SAP Cloud ALM offers key functionalities to help analyze and track the progress of test cases. Burn up of executed test actions and burn down of remaining test actions. This helps in tracking how many tests have been executed and how many are still pending. Display of the progress of all test runs in a project. Shows an overview of how test runs are progressing in the project. Visibility on the remaining number of test actions. Provides insights into how many test actions are yet to be executed. After onboarding users in the Identity Authentication Service, where can you add the users to SAP Cloud ALM and assign roles? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Projects and Setup app. B. User Management app. C. Landscape Management app. D. SAP BTP Cockpit. The answer is A, B. Once users are onboarded via the Identity Authentication Service, they can be added to SAP Cloud ALM and assigned roles using Projects and Setup app. This app allows project-level user assignment and role management. User Management app. This is the primary tool for managing user access and roles across the entire SAP Cloud ALM environment. Which of the following file formats can you import to SAP Cloud ALM to create a solution process flow diagram? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. SVG. B. VSD. C. JSON. D. BPMN. The answer is A, D. In SAP Cloud ALM, you can import solution process flow diagrams using the following formats. SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, a commonly used format for visual diagrams. BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, a standard format for representing business process diagrams. For which SAP solutions does SAP Cloud ALM support creating transport requests directly from a feature? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. SAP S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition. B. SAP Integration Suite. C. SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. D. SAP NetWeaver Application Server for ABAP. E. SAP S/4HANA. The answer is ACE. SAP Cloud ALM supports creating transport requests directly from a feature for the following SAP solutions. SAP S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition. SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. SAP S/4HANA On-Premise. These systems allow transport management directly within SAP Cloud ALM for smooth deployment of changes from development to production environments. Which of the following capabilities are part of SAP Cloud ALM process management? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Process authoring. B. Manage scope. C. Process collaboration hub. D. Process mining. E. Process hierarchy. The answer is ACD. SAP Cloud ALM process management includes several capabilities for managing and optimizing business processes. Process authoring allows users to create and modify business process models. Process Collaboration Hub provides a platform for collaboration among stakeholders on process-related tasks. Process mining helps analyze business processes by examining transactional data to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. In SAP Cloud ALM, which attributes can be used to categorize features? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Release. B. Workstream. C. Tags. D. Risk level. E. Deliverable. The answer is ABC. The following attributes can be used to categorize features in SAP Cloud ALM. Release helps link features to specific releases. Workstream allows you to associate features with specific workstreams within a project. Tags provides a flexible way to categorize and filter features based on custom labels or categories. Which roles allow the deployment of features in SAP Cloud ALM? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Change Manager. B. Project Admin. C. Project Lead. D. Deployment Manager. The answer is BD. The roles that allow the deployment of features in SAP Cloud ALM are: Project Admin has administrative privileges, including the ability to manage and deploy features. Deployment Manager, specifically responsible for the deployment of features and ensuring their smooth transition to production. During a Fit to Standard workshop, what can you do with SAP Cloud ALM? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Analyze solution process flow diagrams, BPMNs. B. Test all scope processes. C. Capture requirements. D. Configure the to-be solution. The answer is AC. During Fit to Standard workshops in SAP Cloud ALM, the following activities can be performed. Analyze solution process flow diagrams, BPMNs. You can view and analyze BPMN diagrams to understand the solution processes in detail. Capture requirements. You can capture any additional requirements or changes that arise during the workshop. Which entities are part of SAP Cloud ALM for implementation? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Subtasks. B. Issue. C. Requirement. D. User story. E. Epic. The answer is BCD. The following entities are part of SAP Cloud ALM for implementation. Issue. Used to track problems or obstacles in the implementation process. Requirement. Captures the functional or technical needs of the project. User story. Describes individual functional pieces from the perspective of an end user. What are SAP Cloud ALM capabilities that support the S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition post-upgrade process? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Upload SAP Readiness Check analysis results and create follow-up tasks with task management. B. Reuse the scope from digital discovery assessment with process management. C. Consume SAP Activate Roadmap content with task management. D. Use SAP Pre-Delivered Automated Test Cases with test management. E. Create extra automated test cases with Tricentis Test Automation for SAP with test management. The answer is ACD. SAP Cloud ALM offers several capabilities to support the post-upgrade process for S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. Upload SAP Readiness Check analysis results. You can upload SAP Readiness Check results and generate follow-up tasks to address any gaps or concerns. Consume SAP Activate Roadmap content. The SAP Activate Roadmap can be consumed with task management to guide post-upgrade tasks. Use SAP Pre-Delivered Automated Test Cases. SAP provides pre-delivered automated test cases, which can be utilized during the post-upgrade testing phase.